Is it playing yet?
Yeah.
Okay, Trey, we're right down here at 4th Avenue Northwest and 16th Street. This is just down from Arrowhead, making a left and going down into downtown Oak Park, the business area. There's the little Bible Fellowship Church. Got flooded out too. How night came up, you see the lines on the walls. Didn't get the second story of the elevator.
Well, DQ.
Back down towards the park where they put in that new handicap park. And then flood is bad through here. Still bad everywhere, but it's just kids high up in the buildings here. Just a little bit further away from the river.
All these houses up here are condemned now.
Yeah, all of a sudden. The whole new area, basically to rebuild new homes. Yeah, they just lost duct tape on the fucking road.
Who did?
I said, just pick this shit up, but go grab it. Brand new roll.
Alright, gonna stop for a minute. Send you another one.